how to enable super thanks for your YouTube account. So recently I received an email from YouTube which congrats me on being eligible for super thanks. So what is super thanks? Super thanks is a new monetization feature that allows fans to support me, hopefully. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can enable it. Of course, there's some requirement before you can activate this feature. So first of all, your channel must be monetized. It has to be available in one of the location. You are not a music channel under SRIB, I'm not sure what is that. Available location, there's a lot of locations you can see here. Quite a huge number of locations, so I think most of you that have YouTube channels should fall under that location, so it should be alright. So let me show you how you can check whether you have access to super thanks. For me, I received an email, so most of you should have it. And now let me just go to one of my video first. So for example, this is the latest video that I have. You can see that there's nothing here to show like super thanks and things like that, but once I enable it, I am going to refresh this and then we can see whether it appears here or not. So first, let's go into a YouTube Studio. Now it's very easy to go to YouTube Studio. You just go to youtube.com, go to the top right and click on the button here, YouTube Studio, and it shall bring you to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Now you go to left, you can see this monetization here. Just click on it. Can you see the word supers? Just click on supers. So if you have not set supers up, like I have not set it, you should be able to see this. Now you have to click on get started. All you have to do is scroll all the way down. Please read them. Okay, you have to put your name. Alright, you fill out all the information, just click tick and click accept. And after that, you can see whether you're eligible or not. So it is I'm eligible, and you can see that all the activities will be here. So you can turn on or turn off. I want to turn it all on, so I think it's better turn it on. You know, just another way for you to earn or for your subscribers or your viewer to support your channel, because I understand doing content creation is something that's not easy. I've been doing it for a while now, slowly growing the channel, so it is actually a good thing that YouTube have to help smaller creators like me. So let's see what else are we missing. I think that's it. Okay, you will check all the documents here if you want to see why you're not eligible. So you might be any of these videos, or this you're not eligible for super thanks. So now let's just refresh this video and let's see whether you have the option or not. There, can you see here? Just now it wasn't there and now it was here. You can see the thanks icon here, just click on it. This is where people can support. Alright, mine is Malaysian ringgit, sad to say. $10, $30 and $150. $6 is actually very cheap for you all. 6 ringgit is actually very cheap. It's just only $1 US. Alright, that's it. Thank you YouTube for having this nice feature, and thanks anyone that wanted to support this channel. Give a super thanks if you want to. And yeah, so this is how to enable super thanks for your YouTube channel. If you like what I share, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you and I see you next time. Goodbye.